We have taken a check period because the check period is a period when a dishonest person acquires maximum assets, maximum properties. So that period is between 1st 1/1/2007 to 30th 4/2030. This is the check period. Now, what do we see during this check period? Now, during this check period, we have come to a certain timetable, a certain conclusion. And we have, during this process, he has been called, he has been questioned, and we are not satisfied with his explanation. I repeat, he has not been able to give us a satisfactory reply. It is because of that we have to register this case. Now, income during the check period, we have come to a conclusion. It is something like 8 crores, 8 lakhs, 16,139.
Can you repeat?
8 crores, 8 lakhs, 16,139. Okay. Now, expenditure. Now, this includes his kitchen and all those expenditure. It is something like 87 lakhs, 88,700. So, the likely savings which he may have had is like 7 crores, 20 lakhs, 27,439. So, this should have been his savings. But what we have seen, that he has acquired properties worth about 12 crores, 50,000, 45 lakhs, 256. Okay, so when you make a subtraction, addition, and combination, a certain formula you add on, so his total disproportionate assets during the period is 4 crores, 78 lakhs, 58,471. Okay, so the total disproportionate assets is about 59.21% of his known source. This is how we have drawn a certain conclusion. 59.21%, which is about 4 crores, 78 lakhs, 58,471 is the disproportionate. Now, I have given, let me tell you, that this is, we have given, after giving him a very fair opportunity to explain his assets. There is something like 5 crores, 50 lakhs, which is still a big question, though I have given him the benefit in this affair. Because he has said that he has got about 5 crores 50 lakhs through loans. Now, gentlemen, you all do realize if I have to even get 10 lakhs as a loan, the bank will ask me certain collateral security. But his explanation is, which he has filed in this thing, is that he has got 5 crores 50 lakhs as unsecured loans from a company. I do not know how companies can give 5 crores as loans. Still, I've accepted that, okay, this company may have given you. So, we believe that these are shell companies in order to sort of cover up for the assets that has been acquired. Now, this is not yet included in the disproportionate. Once it is verified, the disproportionate is bound to be more than about 200%. This is what we have said.